In an increasingly interconnected world, where digital landscapes expand and evolve at a dizzying pace, the threat of cyberattacks looms larger than ever. Organizations, from multinational corporations to small businesses, are vulnerable to a myriad of cyber threats, ranging from data breaches to sophisticated ransomware attacks. As the stakes rise and the consequences of cyber threats become more severe, the need for innovative solutions to safeguard digital assets has never been more urgent. Enter the AI-based cyber threat detection system, a cutting-edge approach that leverages artificial intelligence to identify, analyze, and mitigate potential cyber attacks before they escalate into full-blown crises. At the heart of an AI-based cyber threat detection system lies the ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. Traditional cybersecurity measures often rely on predefined rules and signatures to detect threats, which can be effective but are ultimately limited by their reactive nature. In contrast, AI systems harness the power of machine learning and deep learning algorithms to continuously learn from new data, adapting to evolving threats and identifying patterns that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts. This proactive approach enables organizations to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals, who are constantly developing new tactics to breach defenses. The journey of an AI-based threat detection system begins with data collection. This system aggregates data from various sources, including network traffic, user behavior, system logs, and external threat intelligence feeds. By consolidating this information, the AI can create a comprehensive picture of the organization's digital environment. It analyzes the normal behavior of users and systems, establishing a baseline that serves as a reference point for detecting anomalies. For instance, if an employee who typically accesses files during business hours suddenly begins downloading large volumes of sensitive data in the middle of the night, the AI can flag this behavior as suspicious and trigger an alert for further investigation. An essential component of AI threat detection is its ability to recognize and adapt to new and emerging threats. Cybercriminals often employ sophisticated techniques to obfuscate their activities, making it difficult for traditional security measures to identify malicious behavior. However, AI systems can analyze historical attack patterns and leverage this knowledge to predict potential future threats. By employing techniques such as anomaly detection and predictive analytics, AI can identify deviations from established norms, allowing organizations to respond swiftly to potential breaches before they can cause significant damage. Moreover, AI-based systems are not limited to identifying threats. They can also prioritize them based on risk levels. In a world where resources may be constrained, this capability is invaluable. Security teams can focus their efforts on the most critical threats, ensuring that their responses are both efficient and effective. By assessing factors such as the sensitivity of the data at risk, the potential impact of a breach, and the likelihood of an attack, AI can provide actionable insights that guide decision-making processes. Collaboration is another key advantage of AI-based cyber threat detection systems. These systems can communicate with one another, sharing threat intelligence across organizations and industries. This collective knowledge enhances the overall effectiveness of cybersecurity efforts, as threats identified in one organization can be rapidly disseminated to others, creating a more robust defense against cybercriminals. The interconnected nature of AI systems means that as one organization learns from a new threat, others can benefit from that knowledge, fostering a culture of shared vigilance. Despite the many advantages of AI in cybersecurity, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges and limitations that accompany its implementation. One significant concern is the potential for false positives, instances where benign behavior is incorrectly flagged as malicious. While AI systems are designed to minimize these occurrences through continuous learning and refinement, the risk remains. Organizations must strike a delicate balance between vigilance and practicality, ensuring that security measures do not hinder productivity or create unnecessary alarm among users. Another challenge is the need for high-quality data. AI systems thrive on data, and if the input is flawed or biased, the output will be too. Organizations must invest in data governance and quality assurance to ensure that the information feeding into their AI systems is accurate and relevant. Furthermore, as cyber threats become more sophisticated, so too must the AI systems designed to combat them. Continuous updates and improvements are necessary to keep pace with the evolving threat landscape. Ethical considerations also come into play when implementing AI-based cyber threat detection systems. The collection and analysis of user data raise questions about privacy and consent. Organizations must navigate these concerns carefully, ensuring that their practices comply with legal and ethical standards while maintaining the trust of their users. Transparency in how data is collected, used, and protected is crucial in fostering a positive relationship between organizations and their stakeholders. As we look to the future, the role of AI in cybersecurity will only continue to grow. The integration of AI-based threat detection systems into organizational frameworks will become increasingly commonplace as businesses recognize the need for advanced solutions to counter the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. With the ability to analyze vast datasets, learn from emerging patterns, and collaborate across networks, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach cybersecurity. In conclusion, the implementation of AI-based cyber threat detection systems represents a paradigm shift in our approach to digital security. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, organizations can proactively identify and mitigate potential cyber attacks, safeguarding their assets and ensuring the integrity of their operations. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, embracing these innovative solutions will be essential in building a resilient and secure future. The journey may be fraught with challenges, but the rewards of enhanced security and peace of mind are well worth the effort.